Today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for anyone who's worked hard to lose weight with a GLP-1 medication. How to get off the meds and keep the weight off for good. Have you ever wondered what really happens once you dial down or stop your medication? Why do some people succeed long-term while others struggle to maintain their progress? And what habits have the biggest impact on your results? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the science behind how your body's hormones adjust during the transition off GLP-1s. My approach to a gradual de-escalation schedule and why giving your body 2 to 3 months to adapt can make all the difference. The most powerful predictors of keeping weight off. Hint, it's all about building a whole food diet and a consistent exercise routine. And why these habits matter even more after the medication is out of your system and how to create lasting change. Plus, I've got answers about microdosing GLP-1s for maintenance and what the evidence tells us. This isn't just about numbers on the scale. It's about giving your metabolism time to reset and setting yourself up with strategies that work for life. Whether you're just starting out, in the middle of your journey, or preparing for what's next, this discussion is packed with practical advice, science-backed tips, and encouragement. So grab a notebook and get comfortable because we're going to break down everything you need to know for long-term sustainable weight management after GLP-1 therapy. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about the science. What's actually happening inside your body when you stop or lower your GLP-1 medication. GLP-1s or glucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonists work by mimicking a natural hormone in your gut. These medications help you feel full longer, slow down digestion, and reduce hunger. When you first start taking a GLP-1, your body's levels of insulin, glucagon, and other hunger hormones shift, making it easier for you to lose weight. The problem, though, is the speed that you lose the weight and giving yourself enough time to adjust to that new weight. If you crash diet or lose a bunch of weight quickly, you will rebound because your body thinks it should be at a certain weight and thinks something's wrong. It will ramp up your hunger to put that weight right back on. We all know the saying, easy come, easy go. The take-home point here is that your body needs time to adjust. Some hunger hormones like ghrelin may start to rise again, making you feel hungrier. Meanwhile, the hormones that help you feel full aren't boosted in the same way anymore. That's why it's common to notice changes in your appetite or how quickly you get hungry after stopping GLP-1s. The body is recalibrating, and giving it time to do that is important for maintaining progress. Now I want to talk about the practical side, how I help my patients move off a GLP-1 safely and successfully. For a lot of patients, they have a high motivation because of costs to get off the medication as soon as possible. Rather than stopping your medication all at once, I recommend a de-escalation schedule. This means we gradually reduce your dose over 2 to 3 months based on how you're responding. Why does this make such a difference? Because dropping the medication quickly can lead to sudden changes in hunger and metabolism, and that often results in regaining weight. A slower reduction gives your hormones time to rebalance. We watch how your body reacts and carefully adjust the schedule so you keep the progress you've made. During these few months, it's important to check in on your energy, appetite, and any challenges you're facing. We might pause a taper if your cravings spike, or go a little faster if you're handling things well. The goal is to help your body find its new normal and to set you up for keeping the weight off long after. Here's where the rubber really meets the road. The most powerful predictor of maintaining weight loss after GLP-1 therapy isn't about the medication itself. It's about the habits you build along the way. There are 3 key habits that I encourage my patients to focus on to help maintain a healthy lifestyle: sleep hygiene, the food you eat, and an exercise routine that you can keep up. Good sleep is a foundation for all health, and it's a critical time for your body to deal with fat. People who create a regular exercise schedule and switch to a whole food diet without ultra-processed foods lose substantially more weight and quicker, and are much more likely to keep their results for the long haul. A whole food diet means eating mostly foods that come from nature, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods help support your metabolism, keep blood sugar levels steady, and provide nutrients you need for energy. Processed foods, on the other hand, often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and fewer nutrients, and they make it much harder to maintain weight loss. Check out Dr. Edney's YouTube channel about nutrition and medicine to learn more about how to optimize your diet and health. Exercise is just as important. You don't have to suddenly become a marathon runner, just find activities you enjoy and stick with them daily. Brisk walks, swimming, biking, or resistance training can all make a big difference. The key is consistency. Set a schedule you can manage and make movement a part of your everyday life. To get really inspired on a daily exercise routine, check out my book review on Spark. Since reading that book, I have found a way to get a 30-minute walk in most mornings right after I get up. Now let's talk about why healthy habits matter even more after GLP-1s. Once the medication is out of your system, your body is on its own again to regulate hunger, blood sugar, and energy needs. That's when healthy habits matter even more. The routines you've started, meal prepping, choosing nutritious foods, staying active, and getting consistent restful sleep form your safety net against weight regain. Habits are powerful because they work automatically, even when motivation is low or life gets busy. A whole food diet and regular exercise help your body stabilize hormones, keep metabolism strong, and make you less likely to fall back into old patterns. It's about staying consistent and being kind to yourself when things don't go perfectly. Small changes add up, and what you practice daily becomes your new normal. A habit takes a few weeks to really get ingrained, and it boils down to a trigger that leads to routine and then some kind of payoff. It's really that simple to adjust your habits. To get a better understanding of how to identify your current habits and improve them for success, check out my book review on the power of habit. It's really important to understand why you're eating food. It's not always just because you're hungry. Sometimes a habit that gets formed could be that you want to take a break and don't realize, or that you get bored, or that you're eating because of emotions. Once you understand that habit and you can adjust that habit, you'll be in full control. To switch gears, I know some patients are curious about microdosing GLP-1s, which is using very low doses to help with maintenance after the main weight loss phase. The idea is that small doses might help control hunger, make sticking to healthy habits easier, and soften the transition off the medication. Research shows that microdosing can be helpful for some, especially if you struggle with cravings or have a history of regaining weight. But the evidence is still emerging, and it's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's really important to work closely with your healthcare provider to decide if this is right for you. We'll look at your goals, progress, side effects, and any other health needs you have. Remember, medication is a tool, not a magic fix. The best long-term results come when you combine medical support with strong, sustainable lifestyle changes. When I microdose, what I do is I focus on the lowest or second lowest dose of Ozempic. What that does is it addresses the food noise that's commonly in our heads. And so a lot of patients do really well when I microdose at that level for a long period of time. I still think it's better to work your way off the medication over time, but I recognize that some people need a little bit more support, and that's okay. I found that my patients, if they don't have to worry about food or think about food, they make much better choices much more consistently, which is the goal in the end. So in my mind, microdosing works really well for some patients a lot of the time. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. I hope you found these insights helpful as you navigate your weight loss journey, whether you're using a GLP-1 medication now or planning your next steps. Remember, building and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is truly the cornerstone for reducing obesity and protecting your long-term health. Making the switch to whole foods, staying active, and sticking with new habits isn't always easy, but every positive change you make moves you further along your path. Your hard work matters, and the choices you make every day add up to lasting results. If you're looking for personalized guidance, ongoing support, or just a partner who understands what you're going through, I invite you to join my practice here at Bespoke Concierge MD. We're dedicated to helping you reach your goals and maintain your progress with care that's tailored specifically for you. Thanks again for tuning in. Keep up the momentum, take care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you in the office or in the next video.